Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Rico from class 12 ATPH. I will present the result of my field work, practice entitled Watermelon Cultivation.
Watermelon, or English is called watermelon, a close relative of melon. It includes the crop family. This plant originates from tropic Africa. Many people like watermelon, especially because it tastes sweet, has red or yellow flesh, and contains lots of water and vitamin. The high consumer interest in watermelon means that the demand for watermelon is sometimes not meet the market. Formulation of the problem: 1. What are the growing conditions for watermelon plants? 2. How to select separate scent for watermelon plants? 3. How is the land preparation process for watermelon plants? 4. How do you plant watermelon scent? 5. What are the care methods for watermelon plants? 6. What are the conditions for controlling pests in watermelon plants? 6. How to determine the half and post harvest time for watermelon plants? Objective: 1. To know the growing requirement of watermelon plants. 2. To know how to select superior scents for watermelon plants. 3. To know the process of land cleaning for watermelon plants. 4. To know how to plant scent for watermelon plants. 5. To know the mode of care for watermelon plants. 6. To know pest control technique for watermelon plants. 7. To know how to determine the harvest time and harvest season for watermelon plants. Benefit: 1. Benefit for student. 2. Benefit for school. 3. Benefit for duty. Literature review. 1. Description of watermelon plants. Watermelon is seasonal plant that belongs to the Cucurbitaceae family, so it is still related to melon, cucumber, chayote, watercress, and pumpkin. 2. Classification of watermelon plants. Kingdom: Plantae, Division: Spermatoeta, Subdivision: Angiospermae, Class: Bistidonae, Subclass: Symphtalae, Ordo: Cucurbitaceae, Family: Cucurbitaceae, Genus: Citrullus, Species: Citrullus lacinatus. Implementation of activity. A. Time and place of implementation of the activity. PKL will be held on July 23, 224, December 23, 224, located on Jalan Bersama RT 63 RW 10 in Sedau Village in South Singkawang District, Singkawang City, West Kalimantan Provinsi. Description: in V4S GISB land width and altitude of 0,500 meter above sea level and temperature of 27-30 Celsius support watermelon cultivation. However, the soil pH tends to be acidic 4,5,6,4, so dolomite lime is net. Sandy soil is for in nutrition is overcome by using compost fertilizer to increase fertility. Selection of superior scents. Selection superior scent is important to produce quality watermelons. In Sandy V45 GISB, G. Inul Big Mardi F1 variety is suitable because it is diseases resistant, productive, and flexible in various of soil. This watermelon has an oval shape, sweet, tasty, and juicy texture, so is in demand in the local market and profitable from farmers. Meanwhile, the Melody variety is less suitable in sandy land because it is suitable to fish and requires a lot of water. Land preparation. Land forcing at V45 GISB was carried out on former Jabal land that was sanitized, hot, and made into beds measuring 18 cm, 30 cm thick, and 550 between bed. After that basic fertilization was carried out by spreading 40 kg of compost, 3 kg of NPK, and 3 kg of dolomite in small channels on the beds. Then the soil was leveled. Pour more black silver plastic mods MVHP was installed on top of the bed during hot water to make it elastic. The moss was did with 40 cm long bamboo pin with a distance between pins of 50-60 cm. After the moss was thickly enclosed, planting holes were made with a distance of 50 cm from planting watermelon. Planting and watermelon planting is generally done in the morning before 10:00 wave or in the afternoon after 15:00 wave to avoid stress due to the hot sun. The distance between plant is 17-19 cm with a planting depth of 2-3 cm per hole within file with 1-2 cm. Meanwhile, in V4SGISB, it is done in the afternoon to reduce evaporation so that the sun can absorb more water. The distance between plants is 50 cm on setting per planting hole to avoid competition for nutrition and water. The sun are plant 3 cm depth, then the hole is covered with soil to avoid distribution from small animal. Treatment method: watermelon plants care generally include regular watering, especially in the dry season, but avoid excessive watering to prevent hot watering should be done in the morning and evening. Will care at V4SGISB include watering on the day in the morning to reduce excess moisture, fertilization with the franking and potting technique using compost, NPK, dolomite quality dropping, and other fertilizer. Wet dosing is carried out diligently, running hot and pollination assisted by insect pest and diseases control. In general, watermelon pest control, such as aphids and fruit flies, is carried out with natural insecticides. Diseases such as hot and leaf spot require fungicides. For V45GISB, pest and diseases control, pest control using poison with the trademark Endure and Penit, with fungicides to control pests such as caterpillar and flies. For a dosage of Endure 10 ml per tank to control diseases using anthracol and topside 17 with a dosage of 50-10 gram per tank. For subsequent pests and diseases control, it should be carried out 5 days one time as long as the watermelon has standard to bear fruit. Harvest and post-harvest. Watermelon are generally ready to be harvested after 17-19 days with characteristic of dark skin, heavy sound when tapped and red leaves or tenderish. At V4SGISB, watermelon are ready to be harvested at 50 days with characteristic of yellow underskin and cooking sound when tapped. Harvesting is done carefully so that the stalking do not come up. After harvesting, watermelon are studied by size, color, and physical condition to spare damaged fruit. Consultation and suggestion. Consultation. The growing requirement for watermelon plants are at an altitude of 0-500 meters above sea level, temperature ranging from 27-30 Celsius, and soil pH reaching 6-5-7. The circulation of sand must have good quality. There is resistance to diseases and pay attention to environmental conditions in the area. Suggestion. Planting watermelon should be done in the summer because in the rainy season, the watermelon fruit will be small. It is better to plant wet every time there are wet stand to grow tall so that the plant do not lose to the wind.
That's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.